I bought this on sale for my laptop and it just works excellent. Easy to clone the drive over using Minitel Partition Manager Free Edition. Haven't had any issues. Running Win 10 Pro on an i5 laptop. I was surprised with the performance for the price. Purchased the 240GB model, for an older computer. Didn't want to use a slow hard drive any longer. Benchmarked the drive using a motherboard with SATA 6GB/S, and another with SATA 3GB/S. Crystal Disk Mark 6. 0. 1x64, SATA 6GB/S read, write, MB/S SEC-Q32T1, 555. 6, 488. 14 KB Q8D8, 28. I was very fond of the one-day shipping and even happier with the product itself. I only needed 2 of the suggested 4 screws to secure it to my case, and frankly it doesn't look bad on display. Product, Kingston A400 120GB Summary. This drive is a great deal for improved performance if you don't need a whole lot of space. It's top-notch for an entry-level SSD, but because of how bare-bones it is, you might need to be prepared for a very slightly more difficult process to set this up than with some other popular SSD choices. My situation: I'm not precisely an IT professional, but I do deal with all the tech for the S. I'm working on updating the computers in an office with 16 employees, and with most of the computers needing a boost in speed, it's great to be able to buy several of these for a good price. The vast majority of our work documents are stored in shared locations, so none of our computers need a whole lot of space. Our staff are generally only using 50 to 70 GB on their drives for the OS and a pretty standard array of programs, so 120 GB is the perfect size for us. Because most of our compute. See images for Crystal Disk comparison before and after on one of the machines. I'll post an update once I put together the brand new build I'm about to do with one of these. Issues in the process: I did run into a couple of issues that threw me off while installing these. The first was that the drive would not show up after hooking it up in the case and rebooting. It didn't show in this PC or in computer management. The solution was to run Windows Memory Diagnostic, which is easily found through the Start menu, and took maybe 5 to 10 minutes to run on the 2 computers that had this issue. After that, I was able to see the disk in computer management, and I GPT partitioned each of the drives from there. See piece together image for visuals on the process for getting this settled. The other slight hiccup I had was the computer refusing to boot from the drive once I removed the old HDD. This was easily resolved by changing the boot mode in the BIOS from Legacy to UEFI, which was necessary because the Velcro is doing just fine for 3 of the drives, and the 4th computer, conveniently, had a hot swap bay with a 3.5 slot on one side, where the old HDD was, and a 2.5 spot on the other side that worked perfectly with some spare screws from the last case I bought. Never been disappointed with Kingston products. This is no exception. Good value, solid build, great performance. I purchased 2 and both have been installed in separate machines, so far excellent results. Click link in description for more reviews.